Hi friends, I would like to share some information. So, if your PlayStation account got suspended for payment reversal, you can recover your account easily. So, if you see the error code 373687 when attempting to sign a PlayStation network, your account has been suspended because your financial institution reversed a charge on one or more of your PlayStation network purchases. So if it happens right, automatically the payment reversal, your account will be suspended. This is a default system by PSN, I guess. So how can you recover your account? So you must contact PlayStation support via phone or chat to resolve this issue, and ready to provide such information like you should keep your PSN online ID and your email ID is very important. Also keep ready your date of birth. Sometimes you might have given some false data but for some particular user ID. So just everything keep it ready. Sometimes they may ask you the PlayStation console serial number, model number, so they may ask you. So keep everything ready. So if you're clicking this PlayStation support right, you may get online support. Actually, they are not available this time, that's why it is not working, so you need to click on this. So due to staff availability, I think we are not able to contact by support, but you can check later and you can try that to recover your suspended account. See, if I'm clicking the chat button right, I can see a lot of options. So the account help suspended account, you can choose this. If you choose these options right, it will be redirected to the customer support of PlayStation and you can contact them, you can tell your problems. So I'll be providing this link in the descriptions. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedback. Thank you. Bye.